Welcome to BIMWork YouTube channel. Today lesson is how to create a nut. Create a new family, click New. Choose a metric generic model. Double-click or click Open button. Click a Extrusion button under Create ribbon. Select a circumscribed polygon. Check side 6 and depth 5 mm, then draw a polygon. We are draw a 10 mm nut. So we give a value of 5 mm from the middle to the base. Click right button. You can check nut size and thickness. Now we are create a void revolve. Go to Create ribbon. Choose a void revolve under Void Forms. Then first create a center line. Choose Axis line. Draw a axis line. Second one, create a boundary line. Click Boundary line. Select Line. Draw a boundary line. Click right tick button. You can change boundary line. Now we are create a nut washer. Go to Plan View. Create a extrusion. Choose Circle. Watch and understand. Now you can save a suitable name and location. That's all. Done. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe and bell button. Have a nice day.